So how do we connect our Bluetooth speakers here, as you can see, to our monitor? Well, the easiest way to do so is to actually connect your laptop or PC to your monitor via the HDMI cable firstly, because unfortunately monitors aren't able to detect Bluetooth, so you're not able to connect it directly to your monitor. You need to use your laptop or PC. So once you have connected your laptop or PC here to your monitor, then we're gonna put our Bluetooth speaker into pairing mode by clicking on the power button here until we can hear a sound like that from the Bluetooth speakers. So now when you've heard the sound, then what we're going to do now, I'm just gonna zoom in here a little bit, go into settings on your PC or laptop, then go into Bluetooth and devices, and then click on add device, and then click on Bluetooth right here, as you can see. Then find your specific Bluetooth speakers here, and now it should be connected. So you can see now it should be connected. You should be able to hear it from your Bluetooth speakers here instead, here as you can see. And that is basically exactly how to actually connect them here to your monitor.